Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is St. Patrick's Week and I'm so excited to use this kit, which I'm actually going to use one page, and instead of using a vertical kit, I'm going to use a horizontal kit. And these foil day covers are new to our shop, so I figured I would give them a try here this week and see how they look. And I am loving how they look. These are rose gold and the rest of the foil stickers that I use are also rose gold. So I decided to use a horizontal page kit instead of the vertical, which is the planner that I have, because the boxes are shorter, so I felt like it would give me more room to write things down and make lists, and I'm just really enjoying this like white space planning lately. So as you can see, I'm also using a bunch of different washi. The smaller ones are from our subscription boxes, and then the bigger ones are from Michael's, which I don't think I end up using at all. And here, I just completely messed up. This was like at 5:30 in the morning, and I just didn't even realize that I cut the washi too short. Instead of lining it up to the lines, I just cut it where the ruler already was. But there, I fixed it. And so yeah, I just end up using these two washi, and actually I bring in another pink one from another subscription box we had. And yeah, so I am just leaving plenty of white open space. I'm not using checklists, I'm not using half boxes, although I am using some smaller like frilly boxes from other shops that I've purchased, but I am keeping it very clean and just very, like, I'm just writing on the page itself, and I am not even using any script fonts or anything like I usually do. I'm just trying something new this week, and you guys will let me know how it looks and if you like it and if this is something that I should do more often. And I also do a lot of washi work this week. Like you'll see, I definitely used washi in some different ways that I haven't before, and I really like it. Well, something that I'm definitely going to do again in the future because I really like how it looks. And so I am going to leave you guys here and keep on planning, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So, as you guys can see, washi has played a huge role in my planning this week. I've used it going up my planner, across my planner, through many boxes, and also to I guess, indicate how much of my day is spent doing a certain activity. Like on, I think, Mondays and Thursdays, I put that long washi going down just to indicate that most of my day is going to go towards working on orders. And I really loved that layering on Thursday where I put one washi on top of the other. I think it looks really pretty, and I love cutting that triangle out to make it look like one giant page flag. I know I've definitely seen that somewhere, so it's not like I invented it, but you guys should definitely give it a shot because it just makes using your washi so much more interesting. And yeah, here I'm just finishing up the very last of my week. I left plenty of white space because I don't want to put anything down that I don't know that I'm doing, I guess. And sadly, I didn't use that one last full box, but my sidebar ended up being one of my favorite sidebars I've ever done, and I didn't use any of the stickers that I usually use on a side. No, that's not true. I used my habits. Y'all know I can't live without my habits. I need to track them. So yeah, here I'm using the little circles that I never use in my kits, or I hardly ever use, and if people include them, I hardly ever use them because I don't always know what to do with them. But here I'm just making kind of like a checklist with them. And okay, just kidding. I guess I did use that box. I thought I didn't. And I'm just filling it in with little beans, little St. Patrick's beans, and of course, my habit trackers. And yeah, I love, love, love how empty this week is and how clean it looks with the very just small writing on it. It's definitely not something that I do often at all, ever. So I hope that you guys like it too. And here I had no idea how to fill up this empty space. So I layered washi upon washi upon washi. I think I used all three of them in this little confined space. And I think I did that little flag thing again where I cut the triangle. I am obsessed with doing that. I think I did it probably too many times, but I just thought it was so freaking cute. And I had such a hard time with the washi. I don't know if you guys noticed with the ruler, I couldn't slice it or I couldn't tear it. It was just a mess. But here it's going down, and I think I actually managed to tear it just fine there. And I used a scrap of washi that I had laying on my table. Thank goodness I didn't have to slice any more of that. And then I put a little reading bean with the book that I am about to finish. And that, I think, marks the very end of my week. So as you can see, there's all that white space, but I am going to save it for when I actually know what's going on this week, especially this weekend. I feel like every plan with me that I ever do, I leave my weekend pretty empty. Just this Sunday, I'm so excited that we're finally going to Disney. I know I said we were going to do it last weekend, but we ended up skipping it, and we're going to do an all-day thing this Sunday. Oh, and I just realized that I forgot to put my little hydrates at the bottom of the second page, so I am going to put those down real quick. And then, because I'm not going to track my hydrate on Sundays, you'll see I put a little fun beer bean there that was on my St. Patrick's Day kit, or no, the St. Patrick's beans. And now that is the end of my week.